Kawaii! Hi everyone, welcome to my Kawaii family.
Hi everybody, can you tell what our show is about today?
I can.
What?
Tsuma Tsuma.
Tsuma Tsumus! Of course it is. Look at all the cool Tsuma Tsuma stuff we got. Lately we have gotten a ton. If you've recently maybe watched our Lilo and Stitch Tsuma Tsumu collection video, and we just got these super cool Inside Out Tsumus from Surprise Egg and Toy Collector. And probably you've seen some of these guys we've opened in some of our other videos, but we went to the 7-Eleven today. Yep, the 7-Eleven. Here in Japan, the 7-Eleven is one of our very frequent stops for toys. They have cool stuff in there.
Yeah.
And we picked up these.
Heart-eyed Tsuma Tsuma Mickey and Minnie.
These are brand new, I think. I haven't seen these before, and they're blind boxes. And it says they're going to be, yes, they have heart eyes. It says they're the Hato version. So, Tsumu Tsumu, Tsuma Tsumu, and they are gonna be squishy, which I think is really cool. And there are 10 you can collect. Mickey, Minnie, Donald, Daisy, Goofy, Pluto, Chip, Dale, Pooh, and Piglet. And we only found 9 boxes, so no matter what, we're not gonna get a full set. So we'll see who we get today. Hopefully we won't get too many doubles. But we got 9 of these little blind boxes to see who we get. And before we show these, I want to show you what we also found. Kirin, some of you may know the company Kirin. I think they also make beer, but they make tea, and this is a bottle of green tea, and they put out these super cool special labels on these tea bottles sometimes. This is just green tea, ocha, and look who's on there. It's the whole set of Little Mermaid Tsuma Tsumus. There's Ariel and Flounder and Scuttle, King Triton, Sebastian, and Ursula.
Is Ursula your favorite?
Look how cool they look.
Is Ursula your favorite?
I do like Ursula. She is a very cool villain, and it's kind of this summer festival theme is what it said it was. Isn't that awesome? So that was the ocha, and they had this special bottle.
Cute.
And I wish so much I had this bottle yesterday when I did my Lilo and Stitch Tsumus, but we didn't find them until later. Aren't they cute? And here's what it looks like on the back. He's got his shades on. It's like they're at the beach. So this is the summer festival one. And this is some Darjeeling tea, in case you were wondering what this is. They have amazing bottled tea here in Japan.
Yep.
They really do. And last bottle we found was this one.
I have those little break apart donuts.
Yes, you do. Look at that little, I think that's meant to be like a little floaty though, a little Donald floaty. Look at Minnie's cute little flower in her hair.
Like, they're at the beach too.
And so here's
like
their beach thing. Oh my gosh, this is the cutest one ever. Look at Minnie's hibiscus. Oh, they're so
It looks like
cute.
Mickey has a hat, but that's really Donald's.
That is so funny. These are the cutest bottles. So these are like a special little series of bottle wrappers that they put out. This is also Darjeeling tea. So fun. So we just had to have those with our Tsumu video today. But let's get to opening these boxes and see who we get. Kawaii Kid, would you like to open one while I open one?
Yeah.
We're gonna open all 9. Okay, ready? Let's do it.
If I can tell you.
So let's see who Kawaii Kid got, because we can see they're not in black bags or anything. Kawaii Kid got
a goofer.
a goofer. She got goofer.
Goofer.
The Kawaii Kid got Goofy.
He's not too squishy.
Yeah, they're not too squishy. Let's see. They actually have they're rubbery and they have a little bit of give, but look how cute Goofy is. A heel? I love that they gave him his little hair. So he's really, I would call him more rubbery than squishy. So it said he was gonna be squishy, but he's not too much.
Airy.
Yeah, it's like he's almost like a little water squirt or something. So, oh, he's adorable. So let's see what I got in mine. I got Pooh Bear. Oh, Pooh Bear is adorable. Look! I love these with their little heart eyes. Oh, look at little Pooh Bear bum. So cute. So these are, you can see they're pretty small. Here's actually from the Furuta chocolate eggs that we've opened a ton of. They're almost the exact same size. So this is the Mickey that came out of the Furuta egg, and here's our Pooh Bear. They're almost the same. So cute. Second box. I got mine open already. Mine is Donald. Look at Donald. Oh my goodness. Ah, he's so kawaii. Who'd you get?
This is not a double. It's someone we already have in the...
Look at his little tail. Oh, and Kawaii Kid got Mickey. So and Kawaii Kid got Mickey. Look. Oh. So, and yeah, there's our chocolate egg Mickey. They're so cute, these guys are. Look at him. Oh, there's his little tail. Look at their little tails. That's so cute.
Those are like
Beep, beep.
ziggy zaggy.
And like I said, they said they were squishy, and you can see a little bit, but not too much. Kawaii. Oh, I love his little hat.
I'm opening one.
Okay, Kawaii Kid's gonna open one while I show the little flyer.
Ooh, I got
So here's the
someone.
flyer.
It's a lovable duck.
And these must be the non-heart eye
I
version.
got the...
Oh, look! Kawaii Kid got Daisy.
Now he's really hard-eyed.
Daisy's the cutest one yet. Oh my goodness. She has little rosy cheeks. I don't know if you can see that on the camera. It's kind of hard to see, but she actually has little pink cheeks. Oh, she's so sweet.
Donald does too.
Kawaii. So kawaii. She has little sweet little eyelashes on her hearts.
I told you she
And
had...
there's her little tail. Oh, Daisy is adorable. Let's go. Ready?
I think it's a double.
I got Pluto.
Wow! Nope, it's not a double. It's Dale.
Yay! So I got Pluto and Kawaii Kid got Dale.
I think Pluto's adorable.
I got Pluto. Oh, look at Pluto. Hiya, pal. Woo. Look at Pluto's. Look at Pluto's little tail. And his little green collar. Oh, his little hearts are smaller than the others. How cute. And Kawaii Kid got Dale. Look at Dale. Oh, he's a little squishier, I think, than the rest of them for some reason.
Chip's kind of brown.
Hi. I wonder who we are gonna get in these last ones. All right, are you ready, everybody?
I hope it's not double.
Are you ready to see who's in here? Who's it gonna be?
Help me.
Ready? Okay, in my last box, I get Piglet! Yay! I got Piglet.
Minnie!
Kawaii Kid just squealed.
Minnie.
Okay, so I got Piglet. Oh, Piglet, so cute. He's so pink.
I love him. Oh, he has little rosy cheeks too.
He does,
I don't
his
know if
little
you can
rosy
see that.
cheeks. Well, it's kind of hard since he's all pink anyway. He's kind of squishy. But the squeal that Kawaii Kid let out was because she got Minnie. Oh my gosh. Look at her little dress with the polka dots and her little tail.
I wanted
And
her.
her sweet little heart eyes. And she has rosy cheeks. Now she is actually a lot cuter, I think, than her Furuta chocolate egg. Her
I
little
think-
ears are cuter.
I think both of them are the same looking adorable.
They are adorable. Okay, everybody, what did you think of this super cool Tsum Tsum blind box opening? Don't we get some cool stuff from the 7-Eleven? So I guess that box that we had would have had a whole set in there. We got everybody but Chip. So we got the whole set but Chip, and there was one missing out of the case that we got. So we got everybody but Chip. So somebody took home our Chip, I guess. And that's okay. But I think they are so cute. They are really, we have quite a Tsumu collection going here. Kawaii Kid, did you have a favorite?
Me.
Oh, of course. Why did I ask? Mickey and Minnie. I should have known that, huh? And I love Daisy. She was the cutest, I
You
think.
like Goofer?
Goofer and Daisy. So cute. So leave us a comment, everybody, and let us know if you had a favorite out of all of these things, or did you like the tea bottles, or did you like all of these little Tsum Tsum guys? Let us know. And don't forget to subscribe to My Kawaii Family for more Kawaii videos, and give us a thumbs up. Let us know you liked this one. Say bye, Kawaii Kid.
Bye.
Bye, everybody. We'll see you next time.